Hi children, good morning. Now we are going to see present continuous tense. I hope that all of you remembered when do we use present tense. Isn't it children? Yeah. Now we are going to see present continuous tense. The verb in a continuous tense indicates an ongoing or an incomplete action in the past, present or future. So ongoing sentence happening now. Okay. You have to use continuous tense. In the continuous tense, you have to add ing with the main verb. You have to remember, for continuous tense you have to add ing with the main verb. Okay, in present tense you have to write only the present verb. If it is singular, you have to add with the verb, isn't it? But continuous tense you have to add with the verb ing. Okay, before ing you have to add is or am or. Okay, then you have to verb plus ing. You have to, before ing you have to add be verb. Okay, is playing or playing, am playing. Okay, see, I you have to write am, he she it you have to write is, for you we they you have to write or, and then plus verb plus ing. Present continuous tense, I you have to write am, for singular he she it you have to write is, then for plural you we they you have to write are. Am is are plus verb plus ing, present continuous tense. Okay, see, we are doing now, it indicates, it shows what we are doing now. Okay, I'm playing, I'm talking, I'm sleeping, I'm eating. Okay, I'm sleeping, we are sleeping, she is talking. Verb plus ing, before verb plus ing you have to add helping verb is, am, or. We use the present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening at the moment of speaking. Happening now. When do we use present continuous tense? Happening now. Then we have to describe a temporary moment, event or situation. You have to use present continuous tense. Then we frequently use the present continuous tense to speak about planned future action. If you plan something for future, you have to use present continuous tense. For example, I'm going to go my grandfather's house during the coming vacation. I'm going to do build a house next year. Like if you plan to do in future, you have to use present continuous tense. You have to remember children, present continuous tense for happening now at the moment. You have to use present continuous tense, and for describe a temporary event or situations you have to use present continuous tense. And if you plan something for future, already you have to plan something for future, you have to use present continuous tense. Okay, then you have to add main verb plus ing. Before main verb plus ing you have to use is, am, or. I means am, for singular he she it is, for plural you we they are. I am reading, he or she is standing, we are singing. See, we are singing a song, you are doing your homework, they are looking for a hotel. I'm see, if verbs ends in an e, you have to cut e and you have to add ing with the main verb. For example, I'm taking the bus to school, he is making dinner. Then I'm giving the pencil. Like when the verbs end in an e, you have to cut out e and you have to add ing. Okay, then one syllable word, it ends in consonant with the vowel, you have to add double consonant. Sit sitting, getting, run running, swim swimming. Okay, like you have to add double consonant. One syllable word, it ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, you have to add double consonant. I'm sitting outside, you are running fast, it is getting late, we are letting ourselves go, they are swimming in the river. Like when the Word, one syllable word ends in a consonant preceded by vowel. You have to add double consonant. Okay, see, they are swimming in our pool. What are you doing? I'm cooking a cake. Nandu and Sandeep are typing very fast. Nandu and Sandeep plural, so you have to write R. And then verb plus ing typing. Nandu and Sandeep are typing very fast. They are doing now. Happening now, you have to use present continuous tense. You are playing. If you make a question using a present continuous tense, you have to take be verb and write first, then we have to make sentence. Are we going in the right direction? We are going in the right direction. If you want to ask question, you have to take the be verb and make a question. Are we going in the right direction? Are you driving by ferry? Are they eating their lunch? Okay. Am I getting close? For I means you have to use am. No, am I getting close? Are you running late? For he, she, it plural, you have to use is. So, is she taking a bus? Is she playing tennis? Is she cooking food? Like you have to ask questions. For negative sentences, you have to use not. So, be verb plus not plus verb plus ing. We are not. We aren't putting up a tent. You aren't speaking at the same time. They aren't cutting paper. So, you have to negative sentence. You have to use not. Be verb plus not plus verb plus ing. See, you have to remember, children, for present continuous tense, happening now, already you plan for future, you have to use present continuous tense. For present continuous tense, you have to add be verb plus be verb plus main verb plus ing. Is or am or plus verb plus ing. I means am. For singular he, she, it is. For plural you, we, they, are. See, present tense, for singular you have to you add s with the verb. For I, you, we, they, you have to write only the present verb. But present continuous tense, for I am, for singular is, for you, we, they, plural, you have to write are. I am playing, you are playing, he is playing, she is playing, we are playing, they are playing, like. Okay. Then for not, for negative sentences, you have to add verb plus not. Okay, I do not play, you do not play. For he, she, it, you have to write does not. Okay, doesn't. For present continuous tense, see, I'm not playing, he's not playing, we aren't playing. So you have to add not for negative sentences. For asking question, you have to add do or does before making sentence. Before subject, you have to write the be verb. Do verb. Do, does, do. Okay. Do I play? Does she play? Like for present continuous tense, you have to write am, is, or no. You before subject, you have to write be verb. Am I playing? Are you playing? Is she playing? Are you playing? Are they playing? Like you have to write and add ing with the main verb. See, present simple present. He is a chef. He cooks delicious food. He singular, so we are adding s with the verb. Present continuous tense. Now he is cooking a new recipe. Here is he singular, so is, then main verb plus ing. Like I am a builder. I build houses. Present continuous tense. At the moment I am building a new house. Verb plus ing. She works very hard most of the time. Present continuous tense. At the moment she is chatting in the workplace. They always go to school by car. Present continuous tense. This week they are going to school on foot. This week, so already they planned, so they are using present continuous tense. She is French. She lives in Paris. At present, she is living in London. She is learning English. I am a doctor. I treat people. Temporary situation. Currently, I am not working. I am ill. Permanent situation we are using present simple present. Temporary situation we are using present continuous tense. Okay children. See I, what do we write? Am plus verb plus ing. I am studying for my exam. My teacher does the notebooks. Cats does a mice. They does in the hotel. He does a bike. You have to use present continuous tense to complete this sentence. You have to remember present continuous tense means verb plus ing. Before verb plus ing, be verb you should write is, am, or. I means am. For singular is, plural or. I hope all of you understood children. Thank you.